Hey guys, so we're in the shop today. Got to do a little repair job on this little Chevy, my wife's little car. So I'm gonna walk around the front here and show you what's up. Okay, so when you start throwing codes and getting rough idle and stuff, it's always good to check around here. There you see a big smile on that air intake hose. So we're gonna get that changed today. Here's the new one. There's the part number, and we're going to get started on that. Just take that clip back, pop the hose off. It should pop off pretty easy for you. And then you want to loosen these off. And you know, I've seen people put duct tape on this stuff and that, but don't waste your time. And I know some of these hoses can be pretty dear, but I mean, when your car's not running right, you might as well just fix it up right. So you're also going to have a little sensor back here that I was hoping that would unplug, so I'm going to do a little investigating there and I'll get back. So that has a little spring clip there. You see that? So you pop that off and then you pull that sensor off and then put that clip somewhere where you're not going to lose it. And you may need to pry that off a little bit if it's been on there a while. Make sure that clamp is good and loose. Gonna give a little bit of a hard time there, but as you can see, we got a big smiley face there, so it isn't any wonder the car's been running rough. That's a tight fit, so you might have to help that on there a little bit. The hose goes right on there. Put your clip back on. Your clamps back up and put your sensor back on here. Oh, I don't have a lot of wire here, so I'm going to have to loosen this off and turn it a bit. And just take your clip and that just pops right down in those slots there. Try not to drop it. I get a shot of that, just like that. So that's on. And we'll tighten this stuff back up. And then while you're at it, I've already checked mine, but while you're at it, you might as well check your filter, your air filter, and if it needs to be cleaned, clean it out. Mine's good, it's just like new. And there, that's it. Simple, 10-minute job. Air intake hose, '07 Chevy Aveo or Aveo, whatever you want to call it, and save yourself a lot of hassle by getting that done. Always check those things when your car's running rough. Later.